Have you ever wondered exactly what pops up on a police officer's screen when they run your plates? Or what an insurance agent or even a potential employer sees when they search your name? If you drive in New Jersey, your history isn't just floating around in some digital void. It's locked in a permanent document. Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can get your hands on your NJ driving record online, step by step, so you can actually take control of your digital driving footprint before anybody else does. So, let's talk about why this matters. A simple search of your record can literally make or break your job applications, impact your insurance rates, and even affect your legal standing. Whether you're applying for a gig that requires you to drive, trying to figure out why in the world your auto insurance premiums just spiked, or you just want to verify that a defensive driving course actually wiped those points from your license, it is absolutely crucial for you to know exactly what is on your record. Here is our quick roadmap for this explainer. First, your NJ driving record. Second, getting your record online. Third, costs and payment methods. Fourth, mail and in-person options. Fifth, troubleshooting common issues. And finally, privacy and record safety. All right, Section 1, your NJ driving record. Now, if you go poking around the state's website looking for a quote-unquote driving record, you might get a little confused at first. New Jersey actually doesn't use that term at all. Instead, they call it a driver history abstract. Think of this document as the state's official ledger of your driving behavior. It tracks all your moving violations, your points, and your accidents, and it typically focuses on a standard 5-year rolling window. But here is the really crucial thing you need to know. While points on your license can be reduced, by completing a defensive driving program or just keeping your record clean for a whole year, the actual convictions on your New Jersey record, those are permanent. They are literally inexpungible. That means whether we're talking about a minor ticket for not wearing a seatbelt or something much more severe like a DUI, the event itself cannot be expunged. It stays on your abstract for life. Moving right along to Section 2, getting your record online. First things first, you need to know which classification of record you actually require, because there are two. A non-certified 5-year abstract is strictly for your own personal review and auditing. It gets delivered electronically to you as a passcode-protected PDF. Super easy. But if you're an employer doing a background check, or maybe you need to present evidence in a municipal court, you have to request the certified 5-year abstract. This version is legally admissible and features official formatting complete with a state seal watermark and the signature of the chief administrator. The absolute best place to obtain either of these abstracts is straight through the official New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission website. To get started, you're going to want to gather a few things: your driver's license number, your zip code, your date of birth, and make sure you have a valid photo ID ready to upload. From there, just follow these exact steps. First, visit the NJMVC online portal. Second, enter your identity details so they can authenticate it's really you. Third, you'll actually be prompted to upload a digital picture of a government-issued photo ID, so your New Jersey driver's license or passport works perfectly. And finally, once you're approved, you'll receive that passcode-protected PDF right in your email. Oh, and keep in mind, while this digital delivery is usually immediate, if the system happens to flag your request for a manual review, it can take anywhere from 2 to 7 business days. Okay, let's talk money. Section 3, costs and payment methods. It keeps things pretty simple here. Whether you're requesting a certified copy or a non-certified copy, the standard search fee instituted by the MVC is exactly $15. When you're paying through their secure checkout process online, you'll just use a credit or debit card. Just a quick heads up though, you should definitely anticipate a minor 85-cent digital service fee tacked onto that base $15 cost for using the online portal. But hey, what if the digital route isn't your thing? Let's look at Section 4, mail and in-person options. If you prefer to request your record by mail, you have to fill out the Application for Driver History Abstract, which is officially known as Form DO-21. Fill it all out, attach a photocopy of your valid driver's license, and mail the whole shebang to the MVC Abstract Unit down in Trenton, along with your $15 check or money order. Make sure it's payable to the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission. And please, whatever you do, never send cash in the mail. Unless you just enjoy making anonymous donations to the postal void, of course. Alternatively, you can just take that completed Form DO-21, your valid photo ID, and your payment directly to a local, full-service New Jersey MVC agency for in-person processing. Honestly, this is a fantastic option if you need a certified copy right this second, and you just can't afford to wait for the mail or a potential online manual review. All right, Section 5, troubleshooting common issues.
So to avoid annoying system crashes or getting locked out online, you have to make sure your data matches perfectly. If your license says Robert, do not type Bob. Your zip code also has to precisely match the active address the MVC currently has on file for you. And here's a massive pro tip for you. The system requires this highly secure user identification number, or UIN. Lost yours? No problem. You can actually bypass it. If you have a vehicle registered in New Jersey, you can just punch in the PIN from your vehicle registration instead to get access to your record.
Finally, let's wrap things up with Section 6, Privacy and Record Safety. The state takes your driving data incredibly seriously under the New Jersey Drivers Privacy Protection Act, or NJDPPA. This law is strict. It clearly dictates that unlawfully pulling someone else's record without their notarized written consent is going to lead to severe penalties. We are talking about a crime of the fourth degree here, which can open you up to punitive damages, actual damages, and even covering attorney's fees in civil court. And honestly, this strict legal framework is exactly why the state requires those photo ID uploads, the matching zip codes, and those secure user identification numbers. It is all purposely designed to ensure your personal information, your home address, your medical designations, your social security number, is kept completely safe from any unauthorized third parties trying to snoop on your background. Look, knowing how to efficiently access your record empowers you. It lets you correct errors before they end up costing you a great job opportunity or causing some massive, unexpected spike in your auto insurance premiums. It really puts you in the driver's seat of your own data. Just a quick final note, state regulations and fees can certainly shift over time, so you should always verify current procedures and exact fees directly on the official New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission website. You now have the exact roadmap to access your permanent driving history. So the only question left is, are you ready to see what story your record is telling about you?